What's going on, everyone? We are here at the field getting in some flights this morning on this beautiful Sunday. Today I'm actually testing out the new Rotortech Ultimates on my SAB 420. I got a couple packs recorded with the GoPro, but I wanted to make a video with my phone in person so everyone can check it out. This thing is awesome. Has been feeling really good. Have been learning the Icon. Got the Icon 2 down there. Just been learning it more, making more changes, playing around with the settings on the NX8 and getting it a little bit more to my liking. But go ahead and put this battery in it and test out these Ultimate 420s. Some low head speed flying. These 420s definitely make the 0 to 25% around that range of the cyclic more crispy, more responsive. Step it up a little bit. I'm pretty positive that I'm flying my bank 1 at close to 2700 RPM for the head speed. And my bank 2 is at around 3000. I just stepped it down a little bit. We'll go ahead and click up. There she goes. Some pyro action. All right, let's bring it in. Nice little floater. I'll tell you guys right now where we were running at. So I turned it down a little bit so that last run, which is, this is my last battery, flew it at 3085, so a little under 3100 for the head speed. Still plenty capable.
Flight pack 1000.
Yes, we know. But yeah, that was the 420. Had some great flights in today. Felt good. Continuing to learn the settings in the icon. Everything's feeling good though. Really liking these blades. If you're looking to do a little bit of an upgrade from the factory SAB blades, the Ultimate Rotortech 420s and their tail blades as well, the, I believe, 96mm tail blades for the back, I want to say is correct. I want to say I didn't butcher that. But yeah, the Rotortechs for the main blades and the tail blades have been feeling good. The stopping power that you get with your tail when you do hard tail stops, when you're doing like a half pyro or pyro flips, as soon as you let off the rudder, definitely feels a little bit more locked in than the standard SAB blades. And then these Rotortechs feel great. You get so much more collective authority as soon as you pop positive or negative. They feel great. Really liking these. So yeah, that was it for today. We'll go ahead and catch everyone soon.